Withdrawing money from Coinbase after your account review is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the portfolio. Once logged in, go to the portfolio section of your account. This area displays all your assets and balances, allowing you to see how much you can withdraw. Step 3. Select the currency to withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to withdraw. Click on the specific asset to open its details, where you will find the option to withdraw. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. Click on the withdraw button. If you are withdrawing fiat currency, you will need to select your bank account or payment method. For cryptocurrencies, you will need to enter the wallet address where you want to send the funds. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and destination. Once you confirm everything is correct, submit the withdrawal request. You will receive a notification once the transaction is processed. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your chosen account. Always ensure you follow any additional security measures and check for transaction fees.